Welcome to the most exclusive millinery atelier in the world, where the journey of a royal hat begins behind heavily guarded doors and ancient wooden shelves. This secret sanctuary is where art meets precision, housing the rarest materials used to create magnificent headwear for the British Queen and the royal family. Step inside a world where time stands still, surrounded by rows of classic hat blocks that have shaped the most iconic silhouettes in modern royal history. Every creation starts with the selection of premium raw materials, from ultra-soft rabbit felt to the finest silks, each chosen for its exceptional quality and durability. Rare cinnamon straw, harvested with care, undergoes a rigorous inspection process to ensure only the most flawless fibers are used for these one-of-a-kind masterpieces. Modern technology assists the traditional craft, as advanced laser scanners detect even the smallest microscopic imperfections that the human eye might miss during the selection. Expert eyes scrutinize every inch of the material, ensuring the color and density are perfectly consistent before the actual construction of the hat begins today. The preparation phase concludes with a final security check, ensuring every element meets the strict standards of the royal court before entering the shaping process. The transformation begins as clouds of high-pressure steam envelop the workspace, softening the materials to make them pliable enough for the intense shaping process ahead. With calculated strength, the artisan stretches the material over an oak mold, using centuries-old techniques to define the initial silhouette of the royal headpiece accurately. The heat and moisture work in harmony, allowing the fibers to expand and then contract, locking the fabric into its new, elegant shape with absolute precision. Rhythmic tapping echoes through the atelier as small brass pins are driven into the mold, securing the fabric in place while it cools and sets forever. Every pin is placed with extreme care, ensuring the tension is distributed evenly across the surface to prevent any warping or unevenness in the final design. As the steam clears, the rough material begins to resemble a hat, showing a smooth crown and a brim that curves with royal grace and sophistication. Artisans use specialized wooden tools to burnish the surface, refining the texture until it achieves a subtle, regal sheen that reflects the light, beautifully and evenly. Patience is key in this stage, as the hat must rest and cool naturally to ensure the shape remains permanent and resilient for years to come. Precision instruments are used to verify the symmetry, ensuring every millimeter aligns with the original design specifications drafted for the Queen's comfort and style requirements. The pins are removed with delicate precision, marking the completion of the shaping phase as the hat is carefully lifted from its protective wooden mold for inspection. This blank canvas is now ready for the intricate reinforcement and stitching that will turn this raw shape into a durable piece of wearable art for royalty. Mastery of the invisible stitch is essential here, as the artisan hand sews the edges using threads that are perfectly matched to the color of the material. To provide structural integrity, a thin frame of high-quality steel wire is prepared, destined to be hidden within the brim to maintain its perfect, elegant curve. The wire is meticulously encased within the fabric, a delicate process that requires steady hands to ensure the metal remains completely hidden and comfortable for the wearer. The ends are joined with absolute precision, creating a continuous loop that supports the hat structure without adding any unnecessary weight or bulk to the design. The rhythmic sound of the needle hitting the thimble marks the passage of hours, as thousands of tiny stitches are applied to reinforce the internal structure. Excess material is trimmed away in one continuous, confident motion, revealing a sharp and clean edge that defines the final dimensions of the royal headpiece's brim. The inner sweatband, made of high-quality Petersham ribbon, is steamed and shaped to follow the curve of the crown, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for royalty. Every internal component is hand-stitched, with the same level of care as the exterior, demonstrating the hidden craftsmanship that lies within every authentic royal garment. The artisan checks for any irregularities, ensuring the interior is as smooth as the exterior, prioritizing the Queen's comfort during long hours of official royal engagements. The reinforced structure is now complete, standing as a testament to the blend of traditional hand-sewing techniques and modern structural engineering used in royal millinery. A final layer of invisible stiffening agent is applied to provide extra durability, ensuring the hat can withstand various weather conditions while maintaining its regal appearance. With the foundation perfected, the artisan prepares for the most artistic phase, the addition of the luxurious decorations that define each unique royal ensemble. The decoration phase begins with custom mixed dyes, carefully blended to achieve the exact shade required to match the Queen's outfit with absolute colour precision. Individual silk petals are hand-dyed, allowing for a natural gradient that mimics the beauty of real flowers, creating a soft and sophisticated look for the hat. Heated tools are used to curl and shape each petal, a delicate process that requires heat control to prevent damaging the fragile and expensive silk fabric. The silk rose is assembled petal by petal, building a three-dimensional masterpiece that looks as if it were freshly picked from a royal garden at dawn. Luxurious ostrich feathers are selected for their movement and softness, undergoing a specialized treatment to ensure they remain fluffy and elegant throughout their lifespan. Artisans use fine tweezers to arrange the feathers into intricate fan shapes, creating a sense of dynamic movement that adds a touch of drama to the design. Glistening crystals and pearls are added to the flower's center, providing a subtle hint of sparkle that catches the light during outdoor royal processions and events. Intricate beadwork is applied by hand, adding layers of detail that can only be appreciated upon close inspection, reflecting the high standards of royal craftsmanship. The workspace becomes a palette of textures and colors, where hundreds of hours of manual labor culminate in these small but significant decorative elements. These bespoke accessories are truly unique, designed specifically for one hat and one occasion, ensuring the Queen never wears the same combination twice in public. The movement of every feather is tested, ensuring that the hat looks as graceful in motion as it does in the official royal portraits and photographs. The moment of union arrives as the decorative elements are carefully positioned on the hat base, following a precise layout approved by the lead designer. Deeply anchored stitches secure the ornaments, ensuring they remain perfectly in place even in the windy conditions often encountered during outdoor royal garden parties. The hat is rotated and inspected from all angles, ensuring the visual balance is perfect and the composition is harmonious with the overall royal silhouette. An ultraviolet light inspection is conducted in a darkened room, revealing any microscopic dust or stray fibers that must be removed before final approval. Every speck of dust is removed with gentle air puffs, maintaining the pristine condition of the delicate materials without compromising their carefully arranged structure or color. The final touch of authenticity is the addition of the Royal Milliner's label, a mark of quality and tradition that signifies its place in history. The final stitch is tied off, concluding weeks of dedicated labor by some of the most skilled artisans in the world, specialized in royal fashion. Under the spotlight, the masterpiece is complete, a perfect blend of tradition, engineering, and artistic vision ready to grace the head of a monarch. The lead milliner gives their final approval, ensuring every detail meets the exacting standards required for a piece that will be seen by millions worldwide. The absence of visible seams and the perfection of the form demonstrate the pinnacle of manual craftsmanship achieved in this high-security royal workshop. With its elegant tilt and majestic presence, the hat is now ready for its final journey from the secret workshop to the halls of Buckingham Palace. The packaging is as luxurious as the hat itself, featuring a bespoke circular box lined with soft royal blue velvet to protect the delicate creation. The hat is lowered into its protective home, nested securely to prevent any movement during transit to the palace, preserving its shape and delicate ornaments. A silk ribbon is tied with precision, a final presentation that reflects the care and respect given to every item created for the British monarchy. A traditional wax seal is applied to the box, a security measure that ensures the contents remain untouched until they reach the hands of the Queen's dresser. The sealed box is placed into a reinforced transport case, ready for its discreet delivery to the palace under the highest levels of security and care. As the workshop lights dim and the doors close, another masterpiece begins its journey into the pages of royal history and global fashion heritage. From a simple piece of felt to a symbol of royal power, the journey of the Queen's hat is a testament to the enduring power of craftsmanship.